Oh no.
The thing from it's just the way it's
Beautiful.
yeah, so
What the
I'll
fuck?
give you if you want it.
What the
oh my
fuck?
Jesus. Why you run away?
What the fuck is that? Is that Shrek?
Yeah, I need to go do something.
I can't get back over. I want to get back over.
I'm back.
How do I get
You're
back over?
banished.
Oh my god, you did it before.
How do I get back over?
You don't. You're banished.
I'm not a good jumper.
I'm not
You
a
do
good
like this.
jumper.
Shrek. Stupid pants.
What?
Shrek.
Why is there a big lady?
I'll
She doesn't even fit. Her head's in the roof.
Okay.
Call me a
That's
big
racist
lady.
to pants, by the way,
enabled
what
my
you just
cloning.
did.
Damn.
I enabled my cloning. You're racist to pants, you know that.
I'm wearing pants right now. Don't eat it, little girl. Or you will die.
Little girl.
That's a boy.
Wait, that's a boy.
There's a dick.
I'm gonna go back in now. That thing is disgusting.
The hell?
Oh, okay.
Now it's a monkey. It's in the arse.
You stop snorting cocaine! It's bad for your lungs.
Lemon. It's a lemon.
How do you say this?
Discord mod, Larry's calling you.
What the fuck?
That was attractive, whoever burst.
You told me earlier that you are actually on Discord right now, so I honestly don't know if that's just you playing a noise or if that's real.
Is that a fucking mouth?
That's my status now. Nice.
Oh my god, hi!
Hello.
I want a daddy.
Daddy?
Poppy.
Hey.
Why'd you run away?
I don't know. I wanted to walk away.
Oh yeah?
So you kind of hear it. Oh yeah?
My hearing is in one that used to be.
I said if you touch me, you're gonna get slapped to the ground.
Ooh. Fight!
I'm
Fight!
not afraid of you.
Fight! It's a furry fight.
Yo, square up!
Come here.
Piss
Shit!
on him.
Twist his dick! Give me all dick twist!
Twist it!
Found.
Pull it!
What on earth? What am I looking at? What is that?
Bro,
What is that?
He doesn't light up. I don't want him. This is what happens when you die a virgin. This is what you get.
What, your penis explodes?
No, your penis gets to have a laser.
Penis laser. Have you been to the Kmart map?
Well, it's Christmas in Kmart all the time.
No, it's what? No, that's a lie.
Yes, it is. No, it is.
That's
'Cause I
slander.
said so.
That's
It's because I
slander.
said so.
That's not. No, that's not true.
What did I do?
Cheese.
No,
Any cheese.
no.
I know where cheese is.
Cheese.
Where? I'm in a dumpster.
Seeing.
I have. I was gonna say I have dumpster. I have cheese in my fridge.
I thought you were gonna say I have a dumpy.
Bro, I'm flat. I don't have shit. I don't have no dumpy.
Hello?
Hello?
So is being a furry fun?
Hello.
What kind of question
I
is
was
that?
waving at you.
I don't know. I'm trying to start a conversation. I'm bored. I can't see it's loading. I need another drink.
I'm gonna have another drink. Actually, I need a drink. Hold up.
I have to get me a Dr. Pepper.
How do I keep doing that? Just don't see.
Oh, I can't be in the fridge. I want to be in the fridge.
You wanna
I'll
be
help
ice
you.
cold?
Don't beat me, you woman.
I wanna fight you now.
Oh my god, I'm a flirty person. I'm 16, hot, sex, top, dumb.
Yeah, hot furry 6. Oh yeah.
Oh
I just
my
thought of
God,
something.
You're a child.
She's got the fishnet on, bro.
Fucking Mike, this
Oh my
solution is
God.
perfect.
What?
I think the oldest.
I would. Oh hell yeah, I'll fuck the shit out of free. Kakashi, get away from me if you don't get to.
You fucking shit out of anybody.
You talking about femboy furries?
Oh hell yeah.
Furious clacking.
Like, bro, boner city.
Bro, I'm getting a small chub right now.
This ain't doing shit to me. This ain't doing shit.
Bro, that's how horny I
But I'd
am.
love to hear a fucking sex joke.
What do you call it? Two
Yes.
gay midgets fucking
What? It's a furry.
microtransactions.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was doing that.
What's one good thing about a pedophile?
I don't know.
Yeah, I do have a staring problem.
They drive slow in a school zone.
They're fucking busting it off. Fuck shit, that. Wait,
Oh,
isn't it
shit.
Anyways,
like naked challenge, the naked show where like they go out in the forest and shit have to do. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
shit,
but
yeah.
the whole joke is like, that's me playing hide and seek with my uncle.
Alright, so here's a dark one. Alright, so
That ain't right.
an emo kid is walking home because he just got out of the grocery store to buy his sick mother some supplies that she needs, and
Yeah.
he sees a tree. The thing is, that motherfucking tree is either talking or moving. It's doing both. It's either doing one or the other. So they strike up a conversation, and then he tries to high five the tree when he's about to leave, but the tree left him hanging.
It's okay though.
That's bad. Oh my god.
What do you call
That's
a
a
blonde who
dangerous
walks
thing.
into a bar? Or I mean, what does a blonde say after she walks into a bar?
What?
Ow.
Alright, here. Okay.
Yeah, you get it now? Fucking.
No, I fucking hit my glass table.
Is it weird
Ow.
that this thing is hot?
Ow!
Jesus Christ, you like dick if you want.
What the? Wait! Did you hear that?
Let's turn around. Yeah.
Fucking go.
I'll give you a little. Anime bitch, make me my dinner.
Bro, I pissed in it.
Oh shit!
Bro,
Oh
pissed.
shit!
Let's
He's
go.
hot!
Oh no, he's hot. Makes you smell fucking furry. I'll make love to you.
If you want to get on the bar, you have to come over here.
That was so perfect.
Not for me.
You need sucky? I can show you very good time.
I want
You
crazy.
need some sucky.
What? I can just.
I've been on Twitter for a really long time.
Literally. That makes me not want to do it.
What if she?
I'm not holding you back. My dick. Like it comes.
It's me, Kermit the Frog.
No, it's me, Kermit the Frog, you fucking imposter, bitch.
There you go. Yep, that sells it.
I think this
Fuck
one is
you.
cute, though.
Suck my testes, you greedy bitch.
Yo, what the fuck? Why is Kermit thick as hell? He's doing it back! Yo! Hey, yo! Shit! Throw some 20s at him!
Dance and be like,
Throw some 20s!
Bro, I would like that avatar.
Double G.
Yo! What the fuck?
and I can spin while I'm doing it, so it just looks like this. That is perfect.
I haven't watched the.
Let me guess you beatbox, cause you eat so much, you get so much fucking pussy that you beatbox on it.
Lip rolls and shit. I'll make her pussy lip roll.
Oh shit.
Hey, girl.
My shit wide. Look at my fucking paw, bro. It's wide.
Shoo!
Wide. What's
You
up,
got them
anyway, girl? Hey, what, you trying to let
He's
me
got them
doing anything?
What the fuck?
I mean, shit, I'm down if you're down.
I fucking know where your
You got that motherfucking beans. What the fuck? Fucking struggling.
Why is Kermit so thick?
I don't fucking know, but I love it.
Why is Kermit have cake, bro?
Dump truck.
Oh my god, what is happening, bro? What is happening?
Kermit has an ass. That Kermit is fucking thick as fuck.
Oh my god, I swear.
One. I like that one. Not because it had a dick, because it was fucking. Can you go away? I'm telling my fucking how my fucking skin got banned.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Is she crip walking, yo?
Yo!
What the fuck? God damn! Shouty fire actually.
Don't mind me.
What the fuck did you just say?
You're having a fucking mental breakdown.
I am. Who said I am? I didn't get my drink last night, and I'm not in the best mood. So can I just get a really quick swig of alcohol? I need to get a nice so big swig.
Get this femboy out here
Just
acting
say,
like
just
a
say.
2-inch or something.
Who, me?
Microwave?
Perfect.
Mrs. Shaggy.
You want to see something funny?
You put the gun down
I'm an alarm
first.
clock. Eat.
You put the gun down first.
It's a fucking alarm clock. Eat.
I'm probably gonna go blind because of you. Put your gun down first.
Hey, that's not funny. I make that noise. I have autism.
I love that character model. Who keeps saying bunger? That's the funniest shit ever.
You're small as a glass. Get in the glass. Get in the glass.
Bingus mixed with Among Us. Full blown communist at this point right now.
Oh my god, now that's a dommy mommy.
Why do they fucking say that? Oh my god.
What? Big
There's
shark
like
girl,
8-year-olds in
you know
this
what I'm
server right now.
saying? That's a dummy, man.
There's like 8-year-olds.
Yeah, keep on drinking, nigga.
I grabbed that gun.
Keep on drinking, nigga.
Let's drug the cup. Yo.